Okay, it looks like we're live. Yep, I've just now had a reaction there. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, and welcome to day 2 of TestMu conference. I'm Harshit, Product and Growth Manager at LambdaTest, and it is an absolute pleasure to have you here. If you're turning into TestMu for the first time, this is a 3-day global virtual conference with a total of 40 insightful sessions from industry experts, open source leaders, innovators across the world. We believe communities where individuals thrive, and therefore we wanted TestMu to be a platform to encourage change in the QA landscape, especially by fostering collaboration and innovating together as a community. It is a small step which we are taking to make sure that this community empowers budding engineers with the right thought leadership. So let us begin day 2 of the TestMu conference with a starting note from one of our LambdaTest co-founders and head of product, Mayank Bhola. Over the past 4 years, Mayank has led product and growth, product and development teams here at LambdaTest and has been deep diving into quality engineering ecosystem. Before LambdaTest, Mayank was head of technology at Juggernaut Books and has worked with PressPlay TV and Zomato, a food tech unicorn, as a software engineer. A tech enthusiast, Mayank has vast experience in building sophisticated front-end applications and robust backends. He's also passionate about designing microservices and creating software architecture. Having said that, let's hear it from the man himself, Mayank Bhola, everyone.
The quality engineering space is undergoing major transformations, and test engineers are at the forefront leading the revolution. It's an extremely proud moment for me to address this amazing community of builders, thinkers, leaders, and innovators. Hi, I'm Mayank Bhola, one of the co-founders at LambdaTest. Welcome to the second day of the Test Fiesta, TestMu. I hope everyone is having a great day and all is set for this exciting session ahead. Yesterday, we had a great lineup, and most importantly, we had a really great engagement from the community as a whole. TestView is a product of a love for the testing community, and it is a way of giving back to the community to make sure it's thriving, and it was really heartening to see the love and appreciation given back. By hosting TestMu, we want to take the opportunity to bring the community, open source projects, and the software enterprises on the table together and pave the way for the future of testing at scale. Testing as a practice has grown and matured by leaps and bounds in the last decade, from manual exploratory testing to cognitive learning-based mutation testing. The testing craft is becoming vast and sophisticated by day and night. It's its diversity and the limitless possibilities that are reducing the barrier to innovation and enabling developers to ship production as fast as ever. We at LambdaTest strongly believe and have witnessed this all the kinds of testing methodologies, testing techniques are complementary to each other and collectively necessary to ensure quality deliveries and confidence in shipping. At LambdaTest, we take immense pride in being the enablers of software testing and quality engineering by providing an all-round platform and infrastructure to run the tests at scale intelligently. We try to bring state-of-the-art innovations and technologies brewed by the testing community to all the QA practitioners, software testers, developers, and to you in an easy-to-access platform built for scale. All this has been possible through constant support and collaboration with our community, our partners, and our customers. TestMu is an effort to continue and strengthen this strong feedback loop. It's for you. So after an illuminating first day, we have an exciting lineup of talks and panel discussions for you today. We have Marit talking about how the world of testing has gone absurd over words and definitions and does not care much for the results and learning. She wants us as a community to be accountable, and testing is the way to go. We have Vinayak Hegde talking about the different techniques to reduce the risk of software failure in production using technology and processes. We have Jim Evans, who is going to talk about a wide range of issues, including how he started with the Selenium and his experience as an open source standards advocate. We have Sanjay Kumar talking on XPath and selectors, Brijesh talking about why we should not just shift left, but do continuous testing. 𝒂𝒃𝒐𝒏𝒄𝒆 on the approach that the Meta open source team takes to measure the current state of Meta open source projects. We have Bonnie Garcia giving us an insight into the development of an end-to-end test for web applications using Selenium 4. We have an AMA with Naveen. We have two masterclasses lined up from Benjamin Bischoff and John Hill. We have an exciting discussion on how to decide what automation technology to use by Joey Colantonio, Carlos Kidman, and Sneha Vishwalingam. We also have a keynote talk by our very own Manoj, who's going to talk about Selenium 4 and its future. So an exciting lineup, as I said. So without more delay, let us dive right into the day 2 of TestMu. Hope you guys are enlightened and take away something useful from this experience.
Wow, thank you so much for those inspirational words and that warm welcome to everyone from you, Mayank. And before we deep dive into first session of day 2, I would like to quickly highlight that we are running 4 contests side by side with a combined prize worth $7,500. First, we have a daily coding challenge called Testathon, where 5 winners will win vouchers worth up to $750 every day. There is also a certification marathon where participants can win vouchers up to $625 by simply clearing LambdaTest certifications on Selenium or any other open source framework. The more you clear, the higher you score on the leaderboard. We also have a conference leaderboard where the most engaging and active participants will earn points, and at the end of the event, the top 10 participants get to win cool TestMu swags. And last but not the least, we are also handing out exclusive TestMu conference special swags to 3 social media posts with the highest engagement. So if you want to grab these limited edition swags, share your experience of TestMu over social media post by hashtagging TestMuConf. That's about it for the goodies, but not for fun. We also have fluid spaces and one-on-one speed networking sessions to help you participate with the network and meet your peers. Today we have 14 plus sessions starting with our keynote session by Marit, as Mayank rightly said, and that's going to be called Let's Do a Thing and call it pretty funky name. And that's going to start in a few minutes, so go grab yourself a cup of coffee and a handy notepad for the learnings to come. And we would like to sincerely thank all of the partners for supporting this event and promoting it with us, and all the speakers who have graciously accepted our invitation. We encourage all of you to go and check out their booths. You can do that from the launch if you wish to connect with them later. We have 15 partners, and like us, they too have some exciting goodies and raffles and giveaways planned. So make sure you visit their booths and get to know them better. Having said that, we hope you get to have an unforgettable experience at TestMu conference this year. Thank you, everyone. Happy testing.